The Oklahoma Proven Plant Recommendation Program here at OSU has recommended some top performing plants during the last few years, and this year is no exception. Once again, the group has picked an outstanding tree, shrub, perennial, and annual for our state. The tree for 2003 is the Kentucky coffee tree, like we've got right here behind me. This is one of our native deciduous trees that can get to be about 60 to 80 feet tall. And it's native to a wide portion of the state. We even find populations of these way out west, even in parts of the Panhandle. The tree can handle drought once it's established. It doesn't mind being planted in poor soils. It can handle alkaline soils very well also. A neat thing about the tree is that the canopy is not very dense, so it allows a lot of light to come through, so there's no problem growing turf or other plants below the tree. The trees are either male or female. The female trees have the pods that contain the beans that some of the early settlers used to brew a drink similar to coffee. But I don't really recommend trying that because the pulp that surrounds the Kentucky coffee tree seeds is actually poisonous. A neat thing about the tree also is that it has really good resistance to ice damage, a problem that has seemed to kind of plague our state in recent years. And the reason the trees hold up so well in the ice storms is because of the leaves. This is one leaf right here of the Kentucky coffee tree. I'll just kind of break it off here. And you can see it's a very large compound leaf. These individual portions are called the leaflets, but this whole structure here is the leaf. So in the winter time, this entire structure will drop to the ground, and you can see that a large portion of that green matter is not around in the wintertime, so it's not going to collect ice, and it doesn't have the twigginess that some of our other trees have that have all that surface area the ice builds up on. It becomes too heavy and it breaks the limbs. So the Kentucky coffee tree is very good against resisting ice damage. Well, you might think about trying a Kentucky coffee tree in your landscape.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. You can also find more recent videos on our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.